In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw fair value gaps, FVG, in TradingView step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView and load any chart of your choice. The time frame and market don't really matter for this method. Now, look at the top of the screen and click on the Indicators option. Once the Indicators panel opens, go to the search bar and type Fair Value Gap. You'll see different options in the results. Simply click on the Fair Value Gap indicator, and it will instantly be added to your chart. After adding it, you'll be able to clearly see the fair value gaps marked on your chart, which can help you identify potential areas of price imbalance and trading opportunities. And that's it. This is how you can easily draw and use FVG in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.